Hi everyone, my name is Ramesh, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. I'm going to explain now third semester BCom. Subject is Quantitative Analysis for Business Decision 2. That is in short form we'll say QABT2. Unit number 1, Rank Correlation. It is a part 2. Here we are going to study about rank correlation. What is rank correlation? How do you calculate it? Repeated values, non-repeated values, and followed by what are the analysis we have been done through rank correlation. Now what is rank correlation? The rank correlation defined in simple way the method to calculate correlation between set of variables which are not quantifiable but ranked on the basis of qualitative characteristics. In other way, the correlation between two qualitative variables such as beauty, honesty, character, etc. on the basis of rank is called as rank correlation. These are formal definitions of rank correlation. Here the two types of formulas will be used. One is values are not repeated. The values are only once is there. Then values are repeated more than once. So two ways will be calculated. So values are not repeated means this is a formula will be used. Rho we can say in symbol of rank correlation. P little bit bend towards left. Then we can use 1 minus 6 times of summation d square divided by n cube minus n. Here where d equal to difference of rank x minus difference of rank y. N equal to number of pairs of observation. Number of values is given. Values are repeated is there. Will be added some formula. It's like m1, m2, m3 number of times repeated. Okay, this is the method we are going to see here. Is difference between when to use first formula, when to use second formula. When values are not repeated, when values are repeated. M is number of times a particular number is repeated. Features. Spearman is a name which is derived this method. So we'll use Spearman's correlation or Spearman's rank correlation. Here rank word is must. Then we can identify this method. Spearman's correlation coefficient is based on ranks rather than an actual observation. The sum of the difference of ranks between two variables will be 0. It can be interpreted like curl Pearson coefficient of correlation. This also lies between minus 1 to plus 1. The values are minus 1 to plus 1. Merits. What are the advantages when you are studying rank correlation? It is simple to understand and easy to apply. It is suitable for qualitative data. If the data are irregular or extremes, items are inaccurate, the rank correlation can be used. Demerits. Each and every one have merits and demerits. In this demerits are not suitable for frequency distribution like interval forms. It is difficult to compute when items increase beyond 25 or 30 because 1, 2, 3 will be given, then the accuracy will not be exact. That's the reason this is a drawback here. It lacks precision in result as compared to curl Pearson method. So lags in predicting the results. In rank correlation, we are going to study problems on non-repeated values. That means The values are at only one time. In that, we can able to find out. First, the given values of x and y will be written on vertically. Then we will consider as ranks, then we can find out. First, x values will be written in vertically. Then, here what is the highest value? First, then highest value. Second, like that, decreasing order, we can give rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Look at that. In this place, 96 is the highest value. Then highest value is 80. Then highest value is 74. Then highest value is 56. Then highest value is 45. Then highest value is 44. Then 43. Then 35. Then last value is 22. So decreasing order 1, 2, 3. Highest is 1. Then lowest is 10. So will be given. So rank, how many values are given? That many ranks will be allotted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Then similarly, y values will be written in vertically. In this, after finding rank value of x and rank value of y, we can find out difference between rank x and rank y. See rank x and rank y column we take and then find the difference. 7 minus 10 minus 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 3 0, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 5 1, 10 minus 7 3, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 1 1. Then square of this value. Squaring minus 3 square minus or plus squaring means will become positive. 3 square 9 minus 1 square 1, 0 square 0 minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 1 square 1. So total of 9 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 28. So this till here the table value perfectly we found it. After finding that, we have to use the formula, Spearman rank correlation formula. The formula is rho equal to 1 minus 6 times of summation d square divided by n cube minus n. Here summation d square values get from the table. N value, number of values given. So according to that we'll take the values whichever is given. So we will be substituted. We got it? We substituted. So 6 into 28 divided by 10 cube minus 10. After this, we have to multiply 6 into 28, then 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10. Find the value and we'll substitute 10 cube equal to 1000. 6 into 28, 168. 10 cube, 1000. 1000 minus 10. Then simplify. 1 minus 168 divided by 990. First we divide 168 divided by 990. We'll get 0.1696969. Then 1 minus that, you will get 0.8303031. As per the conditions of correlation coefficient, the conclusion we are also will be given. Here the values lies between 0.75 to 1. So the conclusion is the rank correlation between x and y is high degree positive correlation. This is the method will be asked for the compulsory question, rank correlation. Then we'll go to next problem. Here is the sales in rupees, say profit in rupees. Similarly, this is whether is repeated or not. Here only once the values are given. X is separate, Y is separate. We don't want to consider both together. So we'll need to be taken separately. So we'll be written as x values, 8 values are given. Then we can find out rank. Highest value is 1, then highest is 2. Here 130 is a 1, 120 is 2, 110 is 3, 100 is 4, 90 is 5, 80 is 6, 65 is the 7, 60 is the 8. So according to that decreasing order, we are giving rank 1, 2, 3. Then y values will be taken 80, 40, 50, 55, 60, 70. For this decreasing order 1, 2, 3, you can check 80 is the 1, 75 is 2, 70 is 3, 60 is 4, 55 is the 5, 50 is 6, 45 is 7, 40 is 8. So rank X and rank Y. Ranks in X column, rank in Y column. Perfectly if we know, then remaining part will be very easy. So difference of rank X and rank Y we need to be find. Here 8 minus 1, 7. 6 minus 8 minus 2, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 7 minus 5, 3 minus 2, 1. So rank will be getting, then square. 7 square 49, minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 0 square 0, minus 2 square 4, minus 5 square 25, 1 square 1. So total of d square column 49 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 25. So after finding the summation d square total, we will get 88. Okay. Then we can use the formula. The formula of Spearman's rank correlation equal to rho equal to 1 minus 6 times of summation d square divided by n cube minus n. Then substitute the corresponding values. Here summation d square is 88, n equal to 8. We can substitute. Then 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, 512. Substitute here. 528 divided by 512 minus 8. After this, 512 minus 8, 504. 528 divided by 504 will get 1.047619. This is the way we need to be simplified. Then subtract, will get minus 0.047619. This values lies between 0 to minus some value 0.25. Negative sides is getting so low degree negative correlation. So here the given is sales in rupees, sales in profit. So the rank correlation between sales and profit is low degree negative correlation. According to the given question, we need to be changes. So again one more question will be given. So here will be 9 values is given. So we know very well how to find the rank. So rank will be given. Highest value is 68. Next highest value is 65. 2. Next highest value is 62. 3. Next highest value is 64. Next highest value is 55. 5. Next highest value is 52. 6. Next highest value is 57. Next highest value is 48. Next last value is 35. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is given. Similar way we can give value of y. 10, 20, 38, 15, 25, 30, 35, 28, 37. Here highest value of y value is 38 is 1, 35 is 2, 30 is 3, 28 is 4, 27 is 5, 25 is 6, 20 is 7, 15 is 8, 10 is 9. So rank X and rank Y column we found it. After finding this, then we need to find a difference. 7 minus 9 minus 2, 4 minus 7 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 9 minus 4, 5, 8 minus 5, 3. Then take a square of d value. Minus 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, minus 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 5 square 25, 3 square 9. So sum of d square value 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 25 plus 9. So total value is summation d square equal to 54. After finding that, we can substitute in the formula. Spearman's rank correlation formula, rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n cube minus n. Here summation d square value is 54, n value is 9. Substitute 6 into 54 divided by 9 cube minus 9. After this, simplify 6 into 54, 324. 9 cube means 9 into 9 into 9, 79, 729. So we'll get 729 minus 9. Then 324 divided by 720. 324 divided by 720 will get 0.45. So 1 minus 0.45 will get 0.55. Then these values lies between 0.25 to 0.75. So moderately. So conclusion will write the rank correlation between sales and demand is moderately positive correlation. So according to the same conclusion which is given in the correlation coefficient, same way we can be followed. Previously we found that non-repeated value, that means x values and values are repeated only once. Now more than once means how to find, that is called repeated value. So how to find? Here what is the difference? How to give the rank will be slight difference is there. Then formula sum addition is there. Rest of the things will be same way only will going to follow. Here marks in statistics, marks in accountancy is given. So similar way we need to be written in first vertical form. Here how many times repeated? First you need to check. Highest value is 98. In this place 3 times repeated, that we have to take. 3 times means what are the ranks will be given? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times means 3 ranks should be done. But we cannot able to give 1, 2, 3. We have to take some procedure. What is the procedure? So we take number 98 repeated 3 times. So rank of 98 will be M1. Number of times repeated 3 times. Rank will be starting now. So we'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3. How many times repeated? 3 times. So 6 by 3 equal to 2. This is the first step we need to pay. Remember. Again I'll repeat. The repeated values are there. What are the ranks will be given? That rank will be considered. Here 3 numbers are there. 3 ranks. Starting here, starting only 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 added and then divided by 3. So 2. So rank will be given as 2. Again we need to check because the explanation purpose. Again, another number is there or not, we'll check. Yes, again 90 is there repeated. So again next number 98, next 90 only is there. So 2 times repeated. Then next 2 ranks is 4 and 5 divided by 2. So 9 by 2, 4.5. Now we'll give the rank. 98 we'll give 2, 2, 2. Then 90 for 4.5, 4.5 because the rank we found through the calculation, the method of calculation when the repeated values are there. After 90 will be next number is 87. That is only one number. So 5 ranks already utilized for the repeated. In right hand side you can check. So same way. The next rank will be 6. So 87 only one time. So we return. Then next highest number is 81. Only one time. So 7 will be given. 88 will be given. Then 79 will be given. Then 10, 21 is 10. Here what is that? Again I will repeat. Number we have to give as the decreasing order only. Highest value is 1. Then next like that we have to give. In this highest value here 2 or more times is repeated, means how many times repeated, what are the rank continuously will be given, that will be considered, then will be added and will be taken. So in this way we need to follow. Right side is calculation properly is given, so we can follow. Then 75, 73, 85. In this any repeated is there or not? Yes, it is repeated. 76 2 times repeated. What is that? Here you can see will be put that 85 is the 1, only one times, then 82 is there two times, 80 is there three times, then what is the next one? 76 two times is there. 80 is 3 rank over, then 76. So 2 times 76 is there. What are the two ranks next will be given? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So 76 two times repeated. So we'll be adding. Next, what is the rank will be assigned there? 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 divided by 2. So we'll get 4.5. So we'll get after 76, what is the next rank is that? 75, only 1, 6. 73, only 1, 7. And then 78. Then 68, 9. 65, 10. So repeated is there. You have to use the right hand side calculation. There is no repeated. We need to give as per what we learn. The repeated value, non-repeated values format will follow. 1, 2, 3 only we can follow. That's the only difference. Rest of that is nothing. Here M1 number of times first number repeated, M2 second number how many times repeated, M3 third number out like that. How many numbers are repeated will be extended. So here we need to find out difference. 7 minus 6, 1. Rest of that work will be same. 4.5 minus 7 minus 2.5. 10 minus 1, 9. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 2 minus 4.5 minus 2.5. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 10 minus 8. 4.5 minus 4.5, 0. 2 minus 9 minus 7. 9 minus 3 minus 6. So this value we need to take a square. 1 square 1, 2.5 square 6.25, 9 square 81, 2 square 4 minus 2.5 square 6.25, 6 square 36 minus 8 square 64, 0 square 0 minus 7 square 49, 6 square 36. Add it. 1 plus 6.25 plus 81 plus 4 plus 6.25 plus 36 plus 64 plus 0 plus 49 plus 36 to 83.5. So these are the values will be found here. Now as usual formula we can take. Only the difference we need to add some when repeated value comes. Look at that. So here 3 numbers are repeated. So 3 formula m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 m2 cube minus m2 plus 1 by 12 m3 cube minus m3. 4 numbers means 1. Only one number, 1 only can stop. 2 numbers, second formula only can stop. Like that. Depends on how many numbers are repeated. So corresponding values will be substituted where m equal to number of times a number is repeated. Summation d square value is 283.5, m1 equal to 3, m2 equal to 2, m3 equal to 2. Previous slides, this was explained how many times repeated will be considered. So these values will be substituted. 6 into 283.5 plus 1 by 12 3 cube minus 3 plus 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2. So then 10 cube minus 10. So we know these values. We can simplify. 27 minus 3, 1 by 2, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2. Simplify that. 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. So simplify this. So we'll get 24 divided by 12 to 6 by 12.5, 6 by 12.5. So simplify this. 286.5. 6 into 286.5 divided by 990. What is that value? Will be continued. So multiply 1719 divided by 990. Simplify 1.73636363. Then subtract minus 0.736363. We'll get it. This is negative value. This value lies between minus 0.25 to minus 0.75. Then we will say moderately. The rank correlation between marks in statistics and marks in accountancy is moderately negative correlation. The difference of repeated value and non-repeated value, how to find. So this we can able to understand. And one more question again I will be explained. Just we'll go through that. So obtain rank correlation between x and y. X and y is given. So will be taken as x and y. X will be 50, 55, 65. 50, 55, 60, 50, 65, 70, 75. So in this way we can able to follow. Here again repeated values will be explained. We will go through that. What is the highest value? We can see in X series. 65 two times. What is the rank? 3 and 4 is there. So just we will see 80, 55 also 2 times is repeated. So what is the repeated value? We will taken. Rank will be how we will taken. Now I will explain it here. So here 3 numbers are repeated 8, 9, 10. So here we can give Y series also is there. What is the rank? Will come to know that. Yes, these are the ranks. This one how it is getting. So we'll be explained in the table itself. In this problem, you see 75 is the highest one. Then next highest is 70 is 2. Then next highest is 65. 65 two places are there. So what is the two ranks will be given? 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 3.5. That's the reason 65 will get 3.5. Then IST is 55. Again 2 times repeated. That's why 5 is next is 60. Then again will be 55. 6 plus 7 divided by 2. So that rank will be assigned 6.5. Which one? 55. 6.5. Then IST is 50. 50 how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. That's why next highest rank is 8 plus 9 plus 10. So divided by 3. So we'll get 9. 9 rank will be given. 10 is not given. 8 also is not given. Because of repeated value. Again I'll repeat. Highest value of X value is 75. 1. 72. Then highest is 65. 2 times return. Right side explained. 3 plus 4. What are the 2 ranks will be given next? 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 7 by 2. 3.5. So 65 will be given 3.5. 3.5. Then come to next highest value is 65. Next highest value is 55. Again it is repeated. 55, 55, 2 places. 6 plus 7. What is again? Next 2 ranks, 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 divided by 2. 13 by 2, 6.5. So 6.5, 6.5. Then loss is 50 is there. 53 times repeated. 8 plus 9 plus 10 divided by 3. So 27 divided by 3 equal to 9. So this is another rank. Then we'll come to similarly Y values will be returned. Here what is the highest value? You see that 160 is the highest value. Then next highest value is 140. Next highest value is 130. Next highest value is 125. Next highest value is 120. Next highest value is 115. So 6 plus 3 times repeated. 115 3 times repeated. 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 3. So value simplification is 7. 115 7 7 7 will be given. 110. So 9 and 10. 110 2 times repeated. 9 and 10. 19 9.5. So rank of 110 is 9.5 will be substituted. So difference of rank X minus rank Y. 9 minus 9.5 minus 0.5. 6.5 minus 9.5 minus 3. 3.5 minus 7 minus 3.5. 9 minus 4 5. 6.5 minus 2 4.5. 5 minus 7 minus 2. 9 minus 3 6. 3.5 minus 5 minus 1.5. 2 minus 7 minus 5. 1 minus 1 0. Then as usual square it. D square 0.5 square minus 0.25. 3 square 9. 3.5 square 12.25. 5 square 25. 4.5 square 20.25. 2 square 4. 6 square 36. Minus 1.5 square 2.25. Minus 5 square 25. 0 square 0. Sum of all the values will get 134. After getting that, here how many numbers are repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. 5 numbers repeated. 5 numbers of the formula will be extended. Here extended m1 cube minus m1 plus m2 cube minus m2, m3 cube, m4 cube, m5 cube will be extended. Then will be substituted. We know that. Then m1, m2, m2 also 2, m3 3, m4 is 3, m5 is 2. First number 2 times, so another number 2 times, third number 3 times, again fourth number 3 times. Both x and y. The given values are found values in the table. We will be substitute 6 into 134 plus 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 3 cube minus 3 plus 1 by 12 3 cube minus 3 plus 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2. So here 2 cube minus 2, that value is 8 minus 2 6. 3 cube 27 minus 3 24, so we'll get 24 divided by 12. So simplify 134 plus 1 by 12 8 minus 2. So this simplification will be, we know 10 cube value, so we'll get that 6. So 6 divided by 12, 6 divided by 12, 24 divided by 12, then 24 divided by 12, 6 divided by 12. So the values will be simplified form. 6 into 134.34 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0.5 divided by 990. Then all simplification 139.5 will come. 6 into 139.5 will be calculated. So this value is 837 divided by 990. This simplify 0.84545454. Then 0.154. The values lies between 0 to 0.25. So the conclusion is low degree positive correlation. Then suppose if it is given directly rank, the judgment signal will be given directly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that continuously it is there, means how to consider. Look at that, the given ranks are judged directly, rank X and rank Y. Directly is given. So from directly we can consider, then we will be taken as difference 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7, 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 2 minus 8 minus 6. Then square it, 3 square 9, 0 square 0, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 4 square 16, 1 square 1, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. Sum of all the values 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 16 plus 1 plus 25 plus 36, 128. Okay. Then substitute in the formula. Then this is the formula Spearman. So substitute 6 into 128 divided by 8 cube minus 8. 8 cube 8 into 8 into 8. 512. 768 divided by 512 minus 8. Simplify. 768 divided by 504. Simplify. 1.523809. Simplify it. We'll get minus 0.5238. This value lies between minus 7.52 minus 0.25. So we can write that moderately negative correlation judge A and judge B is moderately negative correlation. So once if it is given directly, the ranks we can use and then you can follow. Suppose 3 values are given. This rank only, judges are given in the 3 ways. So what you have to do? This again you have to consider ranks only, or X or Y or Z. So will be taken or X or Y or Z. X values, Y values, Z values in rank. Then first you need to find out difference of X and Y. 1 minus 3 minus 2, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 10 minus 4, 6, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 2 minus 10 minus 8, 4 minus 2, 2, 9 minus 1, 8, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 9 minus 1. Then square. minus 2 square 4, 1 square 1, minus 3 square 9, 6 square 36, 4 square 16, 8 square 64, 2 square 4, 8 square 64, 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1. So sum of all the values of dxy square 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 36 plus 16 plus 64 plus 4 plus 64 plus 1 plus 1 200. This is one set. Like that, three combination we need to do: xy, yz, zx. Now y and z. 3 minus 6 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 1, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 7 minus 1 6, 10 minus 2 8, 2 minus 3 1, 1 minus 10 minus 9, 6 minus 5 1, 9 minus 7 2. Then square of these: minus 3 square 9, 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, minus 4 square 16, minus 6 squares 36, 8 square 64, minus 1 square 1, 9 square 81, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Sum of all the values: 2 dy z square 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64 plus 1 plus 81 plus 1 plus 4. Total is 214. Now two combinations over. Another one combination y and z is over. Now z and x or x and z. Both the way it is correct. So z and x combination: 6 minus 1 5, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 9 minus 5 4, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 4 1, minus 10 minus 9 1, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 7 minus 8 minus 1. Then this square: 5 square 24, minus 2 square 4, 4 square 16, minus 2 square 4, minus 2 square 4, 0 square 0, minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1. In this least negative values, all the three values are negative is there. Least negative value will be considered. Okay, usually one positive value will come. Suppose more than one positive value, decimal point which is highest value is there, that we can consider. Here only one positive value, z and x. So 0.6363 will get. So that is the one. They have the nearest common approach of two different judges, judge z and x. In comparison of judge between x and y and z and z and x, maximum value is judge z and judge x. So z and x pair of judges have the nearest common approach or common taste in fashion. Is the conclusion will be taken. Suppose some kinds, part of the questions they will ask: summation d square equal to 30, n equal to 10, what is the value of r? So use the formula. Summation d square means we need to remember it is a rank correlation formula. So we'll be used Spearman rank correlation formula and substitute the value: 6 into 30 divided by 10 cube minus 10. Already we know 10 cube value, 1000 minus 10. 6 into 30, 180. Simplify, 180 divided by 990. So 0.1818. Use the calculator and we'll get the values. 0.818181, like that will go. That's the way. Then another question, summation d square they're asking. So this is a question, and then use the formula, summation d square formula. Summation d square value we don't know. So other values we know. Row, that is called rank. Rank value minus 0.2969 equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by 10 cube minus 10. Here left and right, you see that simplifications, and then transfer left to right, right to left. Here minus is there, plus there will be minus is there, plus. So we'll get in this form. Transformation, linear equation format, transformations. Then simplify right hand side, we'll get, then cross multiply. So we'll get cross multiplies, we'll get this concept. Then simplify, we'll get, then will be added to 13.98885. So in this way also, it is a part of the problem from the tables. What we learned, that is the one. Right? Any questions we can ask. So approximately we'll take 2 and 4. The coefficient of correlation between marks statistics and accountancy obtained. R value is 0.8, summation of D square is 33. Find the number of groups. N value they're asking. Summation D square equal to 33. R value is 0.8 and N value is question mark. So substitute the formula here. What are the values are given? You can take. So simplify 6 into 33, 198. Then left to right, right to right interchange. Minus is there plus, plus is there minus will come. Then simplify 0.2. Then cross multiply. So cross multiply will come like this. Then left and right interchange. So this will be 990. 990 we know very well. 1000 minus 10 we can write. So obviously 1000 equal to 10 cube minus 10. So we will get n equal to 10. Number of groups in the set means you can say like this. This is another one. These are all the practice problems. Which is getting any practices, we can follow this kind of questions. So we can make a screenshot or whatever we can take and then we can consider. After this also practice problems. We can practice much based on what explanation so far is over. Based on that explanation, we'll get that. Here ends rank correlation explanation. Any questions or any doubts or is there, you can bring into my knowledge. Any corrections or anything is there, use the calculator properly. Whatever you are getting the calculator work, that will be the final. Okay, any calculation mistake, please excuse me, because sometimes calculation mistakes may happen. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.